The Government of India Act of 1858 was a significant law enacted after the Revolt of 1857, which abolished the East India Company and transferred power to the British Crown. The Act had several features, including the change in the title of the Governor-General of India to Viceroy of India, making him the direct representative of the British Crown in India. The Act ended the double government system by abolishing the Board of Control and Court of Directors, and created a new office of Secretary of State for India, who had complete authority and control over the Indian administration. A 15-member council was established to assist the Secretary of State, and this council was an advisory body with the Secretary of State acting as the chairman. Moreover, the Secretary of State in Council was constituted as a body corporate that was capable of suing and being sued in India and England. However, the Government of India Act of 1858 did not alter the system of government that prevailed in India in any substantial way. The Act was mainly concerned with improving the administrative machinery by which the Indian government was controlled and supervised in England. The Secretary of State in Council was constituted as a body corporate, means that the Secretary of State for India, along with the Council of India, was made into a separate legal entity that could sue and be sued in both India and England. This means that the Secretary of State and his council were given the status of a corporate body with a separate legal identity, distinct from the Government of India. It was a legal mechanism that allowed the Secretary of State and his council to act and make decisions on behalf of the British government in India without being held personally responsible. As a body corporate, they could enter contracts, own property, and sue or be sued for any legal issues that arose. It was an important legal provision that granted a separate legal status to the Secretary of State and the Council of India, giving them the power to act as a distinct entity while representing the British government in India.